This is a 4-year honours bachelor's programme, and the aim is to provide the knowledge and skills for people to work productively in the airline industry, but also to provide a good educational foundation for people going on for the career of a professional airline pilot.
DCU responded to calls to develop a tailored degree programme for graduates entering the aviation industry. The result is the introduction of this new degree programme in aviation business with pilot studies.
One of the advantages of a focused aviation course is that people who come to us having done that clearly understand what they're about. They know what they want. They've had some experience of aviation issues and aviation problems, and therefore they can add value a lot more quickly. And they tend to be a bit more passionate about aviation.
It has become a more internationalised business in recent years. Aer Lingus has employees here in Ireland, UK, Europe and the United States. The skills and experience you gain here are equally transferable across the sector and to other businesses.
Dublin Airport is Ireland's largest economic entity. There's about 11,000 jobs based there, and that's about a fifth of Fingal's total employment. It's the 8th busiest airport in Europe and the 14th busiest in the world.
The typical working day, it involves not just Ryanair and Aer Lingus, but book concessionaires, food producers, building companies, and it just gives you an idea that we have got a role at the centre of the airport here, but our business requires people and hopefully graduates who are adaptable, who can deal with a variety of different business issues and business problems.
In the first year, there are the normal subjects you'd expect of a DCU business degree: marketing, economics, accounting. But from the very beginning, this programme is different. Students take an IT subject and a science subject, along with the engineers. And I bring them through the PPL theoretical knowledge syllabus. At the end of first year, there's the option of going for some flight training.
The traditional job of piloting aircraft is becoming more complex as technology advances and aircrew need to manage busier schedules and the more demanding commercial needs of an increasingly competitive environment.
DCU Business School has over 2,000 students, about 1,400 undergraduate students and over 800 postgraduate students. Dublin Airport is only about 10 minutes away from us, so it was natural that when the airline industry approached us, ourselves and the Faculty of Engineering were happy to sit down with them.
The fast pace of development and increasing complexity of the industry requires the personnel coming into the business have a high level of specific knowledge and an appreciation of the diverse activities involved in a complex, highly regulated and transnational industry.
5 of our largest companies are based there, and that includes Aer Lingus, Ryanair, Dublin Airport Authority and Hertz. They all employ more than 1,000 people each.
Wherever we have staff in Aer Lingus, it's important that they're all aware of their role within the business and the challenges facing the business. That's why we're particularly attracted to graduates, because they bring with them a broader understanding of the challenges and the issues facing our business.
We're happy to sit down with them and explore how our expertise across a range of business, accounting, marketing and other disciplines could be used to provide them with a business programme that addressed the needs of management in the aviation sector and also addressed the needs of pilots who needed to know more about the business that they were an important part of.
During the summer of second year and the first semester of third year, the students spend time as interns in an airline.
DCU graduates, having taken part in this particular programme, bring with them to Aer Lingus and other airlines an understanding of the current and future challenges for this business, and ideally position them to be key contributors to those airlines and the sector going forward.
Fourth year is where the two streams diverge. The pilot studies stream go off for a 65-week period of training at a DCU recognised flight training organisation.
It will ensure that graduates joining the aviation industry are well equipped with the knowledge and skill needed to make a valuable contribution and to succeed in their careers.
The Aviation Studies stream spend a further 2 semesters in DCU where they consolidate their knowledge of aviation management with subjects such as business and services management, e-commerce and contingency management.
One thing is for certain is that the aviation business is constantly changing.
We're basically saying by supporting this that with DCU we're going to give people careers in aviation, not just the odd job here and there.
It is particularly innovative in that it links this business education with a pilot training module in the final year of the degree, thus ensuring that a stream of pilots will be trained who are not just proficient pilots, but also well tuned to the needs of the industry they are planning to enter.
The DA is delighted to support the DCU's innovative approach to aviation education.
I would like to wish the university and its future graduates the very best of luck.